Kublai pi baro syakatup Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Kimat kiba kongsan mentah ke sengi Shillong. Pelaj im ke KSU New Delhi bat ki pulit armut ki kena kentai nak tem dakai. Pediang ngobha kanong ba Shillong ya ke International Film Festival Baningkong. Jurib kahitu ya ki karkhana hanong seder yam bantip katnu yokam ki trai Jylla. Ban Jurib uba Mirabon sim ya ka 132 kV substation. Bat mentang ini apa ki Khubor ki ba kambania. Khasi Students Union KSU Delhi Unit lengba ka jinget trelang bat ka Special Police Unit for North East Region Puna kilala ban pelat ki armut ki kena kan thei nyau trap ki balangat ha ka jingriam jo ki nong khayi briu ki ba thok da ka ba kular ai kam. Kini armut ki kena iwe badang khatsan senam karta. But iwe iba khat prasnam karta kidai kiba na East Giant Hills Meghalaya. Kat kum ke jingtip layalame ki shanong ba Delhi de iwe iparalog iba dehi na Meghalaya iba trekam ha Delhi klem ke jingtip ne ke jingbit ki kme ki kpa. Lapan shoye ki da ke jingkular banyo kam kum kinong trei hapo yeng domestic help. Habala poi ha Delhi yakini ki khna layalam penban shaka we ka spa ha Haryana. Hangta lapan bore ki bandrung syakakam khayimen. Namar ka jing septing kini ki khna kira yo ban phone chala yeng bat ka long yeng jong ki pat kala pentip mardor syaka KSU Delhi unit pan jingeram. Ka KSU Delhi unit kala pentip mardor syaka kenhun spuna. Lengba ka jinget trelang baklan ka KSU bat ka spuna kilala ban twet bat pelat yakini ki khna nakatai ka jaka ha Haryana. Ka KSU Delhi unit ka pha ka jing sngongu sha baro ki dekot ki bala shim banta ha ka ni ka kam ban yada ya ka jing embryo ki pha ka jing sngongu bakerpang sha imam Sabrina ARC Meghalaya house namar ka jingerap berhenti bat sha isa nabam gungte joint CP spuna namar ka jingelam ka banep kani ka jingja ka long ka jing maham ka bakraw ya ka jing ma ka baki samla jungi kila apnya kendu haba kile wat kam wat jam shabar la marbiang khongwir president KSU Delhi unit ngi kentu ya baro ki kime ki kpa bat ki samla banong ki pa pikir bat ki basumar bha na ki jing pensoi ki nong thok ki bakular ban penyo kam ka KSU ka yeng skembet ban yada ya ka bit ka biang jonga jai penriu hinyotrep ha NCR Delhi. Ke union kadangnya trelang berkibor sorkar ban wanra ya kajing shngan counseling ban penpoi biang yakini ki kena kentai shala ki longyeng longsem ha Meghalaya.
Shaharana police lese ki tu pulit tu kadang ketilang namar kadang ketilang itu ki brothel menjo amno lese ki penburi ki penpet takadau ni haban lejim bakas punahin tawle jim bakas puna namar bamdan jurisdiction tening kong ngaku aban ai khuble kam kerpam ya i Additional Assistant Resident Commissioner jongka Meghalaya House ang Delhi limbaj ila tho ka bikashiti but ila ai kashiti ya u joint CP jong kaspuna ban subha ban assist ni ka ya ka KSU Delhi unit ban assist ban rescue taken thai te la poi kashiti sa joint CP te linkat na ka mangina ka seng linkat bat ki team jong kaspuna SI bat ki constable nila poi sha Haryana. Te ningkong himla naman himdan jurisdiction himla amali directly siya kito kaspa nila litso ha tanan. Ana la po ya tanan kata ka ni hab up kumba natay lai po na sa community namar kito na Haryana police kim sutho suthaw kim tip hire ke ita kaspuna kim tip ke ita ka Delhi police north east kim bana tingi hab siya lai po minute mental stoi ki bangi wana spuna ke ita kaspuna banganga de Delhi police north east representative kedik ke ita ila hadem tin sa batay ki ka jingja bawanya la mitay khana tinikom nila LA kita ya bot iniru namang himla mani rate ko nang chaka claim jurisdiction yung porjanto chaka tinila LA chwa nila LA to brinka report harna police nila LA anda la point tinti ki pensane ka kali ki undan written permission himla LA tang tang nila call ka UIG ru kim suthu nila call pun ha ki put behind jongka Delhi police jongka Haryana police ru kim suthu te ha ka bakhado yung ikat dengan up official banyo ata permission kitu ki brio kila pet itu kena kin saja ni nali Dia ringkat bagas punang la shim ke decision mila on kiba ngili read da kali read nani. In case the jagi ke eng sa call how number helpline number jong ki police jong harana police and then hadin pak sawan police ya. Tu kum tai tang ke union ringkat bagis punang mila let tu sha kaspa dia andla arung tospa ni salap itu kan te argut nuntung insa ya lam no yaki batni hapor badan tu kasparu katu try jong tu kaspa kapan ya kapisah nangi kapan kapisah nangi ko ba ngan pelat ikinisya hadin filasi kapisah tingin nak sebenarnya mengingalam ikini kentai nama begini gimana film dan hak manbu kini hangnya sakawai ru fi wanyalam ikini kentai kam ngajim tip kimi pa telada fi kwa pelat kapisah dia mengalam police station ada ke case dia kumta ngajim ting kala ngisa yo misuk nak kata ka spa Teni ka ni kami register kanu case kanu ka FR nama ka kam dan kakajing dan bok ka kamja pani dan kanu kajing ja ka basnio ti tu kin thai kala don kan ka bani menta nilabu eki haka safe house ban zelam
Hakasien ka ban ningkong kanong ba Shillong kala pediang ban penlong ya ka International Film Festival balai sngi hau Lber arpusan arpun riu bat arpun nyau tarik ha State Convention Center. Ki film ki ban pen ipat ba hakane ka festival ki kentup ya ki tu ki ba penmi ha ki wei pat kiri bat ki ba nakari India. Kane ka festival ka balai sngi kan ketik bat ai men si me ki riu dan sap penmi film ka Jylla ban sandur ki film ba ki temu ban penmi ha ki por bandang wan. Uba lak men rumbui ulapan pau ka jinget ke bas camp bakane ka International Film Festival kan wanra ka jingmentoy ka bakraw ya ki riu dan sap ka Jylla bat u angnot baka festival kan long ka bayat bet bat ka job kumbala thumu ya ka ban long ka Meghalaya ka long ka way ni ki Jylla ba itanat hakari India ka badan ka mariang ba ithiang ban penmi film ki ban penjau duod ya ki briu ni ki way pat kiri ka perthai
program. I just want to briefly about the initiative of the government of Meghalaya with the support of the government of India that this year the government of Meghalaya through the IPR will formally held the Shillong Film Festival on the 25th till 27th of March 2026. As Commissioner Secretary mentioned, that this is the path-breaking because many things have to follow after this. In this festival, there are so many components which is there. Number one, we are very happy that there are so many entries from other part of the country, other part of Northeast, and also from other part of the, outside the country, which will be screened in that film festival, which will held at the State Convention Center here in Shillong. So the main why the government held this festival. As you know, Meghalaya is blessed with unique culture. We have unique topography, geography, and the tourist spot. All over the landscape of Meghalaya itself is a tourist spot, which will enable the people from all over the country, all over the world to come, and if they have to shoot their film and come, and by coming here, it will open the eye of our youth. More importantly, it also help the youth to hone their skill with the help of those international acclaimed film producer or director, as the case may be, and also to promote our state. And as you know that the filmmaking in the state of Meghalaya is not very recent. In fact, 40 years, more than 40 years back, there is one first khasi film which is being shoot, I think, Lighthouse Imma. And then after that, then we have a color film by the name of Manik Raitong, somewhere in 1983-84, if I remember correctly. So, and after that, there are so many budding artists and so many budding producers and so many directors who come and venture into this. And now in the state of Meghalaya, if you see, there are many producer or many film from different part of the state in different languages. And I also am very happy that is where we will keep training, or we will try to keep the training to the budding producer or director, the process of filmmaking and what it is there, so that we will empower them. As I said, this is the first stage.
Kino yang lambat kita khot kah Trap Integrated Territorial Organization hito hakakat pratarik Lber kila let jurib ikikar khana badon hanong seder ribhoi district hadian ba kila yo jingtip ba yakini kikar khana lapan ya daki beriu nabar Jylla. Hakani kasngi kum kadak jong kajing persya ka hito kala ra ru diki plakat rengkat bat kijing tho kibala tho kapliang ja bat kajakpo kade ningkong shwayangi. Kitrai ritrai muluk bat hadin sawan kibar Jylla. Kindet no khun kari kani kadai kari jongi. Habakran syakilat pathai Khubor u presiden kahito ba dan bok dekhar ulaya thu. Shwa banet jurib ya hite ki karkhana ulaong. Kum kakenhun kam don jengmut ban penkulmar. Henre ban pan kam nagabenta kitrai Jylla. U Vice President hito ribhoi ba shania nongrum ulaong ya kani kajing jurib kin sedang shwa na ribhoi bat hadin kin salet ki wei ki jaka badon ki karkhana ulaong nadu ki kam ki baret hadu ki kam ki bahe latre de ki bar Jylla hakini ki karkhana
bat ki wei ki balong illegal hangne hapo dong pot thanya hapo ka umyam tingi kentu ya ka Department Bapher nado ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board ki industries MIPCB bat kamtam ru iga MECL ngilai ba kahangtai la stock claim da yo bor naka MECL te ngakwa ban bu jingkeli ru iga sarkar ba balai phia matla balai phia kelut hadu kan ne ba u nongwei chisngi one stock ya kemar hendrai dai ki shong pat ki khasi tang bandi kwai dong phia be langkod I kumba pinbam yap te ngina kaliang jong kaseng ngim stunar dalai ya kani ko rukom le ko sarkar imat ko don ka ka ba ki yo nong ngila ban ala chru ba tharai lingba ka jing pen slur maki kinong wei rukim kin snap wat hakiwi ki company lengi I ba ki bu ta kinong bala hangni hapo dong hapo thain ribhoi hani hapo dong jong kane ka yam brok hoj ki thung tang wei arngot kita ki khasi ka bangimla ban priang hap kini ki company hapor ki wan chane ki ong ba pen ai kam ai jam ten rengina kaleng ko jongi ngila ai be ki pat hadian katukan ne por ngin sawan biang lada ka sarkar kamla ban te lakam dikini ki industries ki ba penya klem biang ki kot kisla ngin sawan kum kala er lang thari bat ngin rat naphang ngin le be namar lada ka sarkar kampet khamar ki yengi uluk ulak urit uria par khamtami khun samla kabrang khlut kemensin ban ji sakri hok nak benta ka jet benriu teng bangin ya be thaniu menderu I kumba ka sarkar kayada henry ban ya khni ndalak poi pat haga kata ka benta bakin wan khni ya ka plyang ja jongi wei pu wei dukhot jong ka jet benriu khamtam na ka Jylla ka jongi unum hun pat nga kanturu chi khun samla lej nadu lasai pendap ka bayo data ka jong phi lej bu gini ki kam vote lada phimla I ki kam ru phinsa sha training but lada ki pen lada kim ai kam yogi phi kumba ong ka kenten nongwei be it hakinu ginu ge industries ru nadu jantia hadu ribhoi pendap lut lada kim ai sapen tip ya ka seng bat ngin ya turlang bat ngin ya dawa ya ka hok ka jongi ka badi ka baha hiru ka jongi wei ba kila wan sene bat penjat ya ka ri ba ka jet benriu ka jongi ngidai mangihi ban pet banda ban kiar ya kani kamai kamariang kajongi pat nga kenturu ya kami Meghalaya Pollution Control Board baka dai ban sim action wood ya kariang do biner katkum gitu ki video bangila ring pat ki bala yo ki katto kan ni ki media ban ring ru badai ban pensitam ya ki ladai ki company phala ban uju dan kuna diki lak tengah tharai hakini ru pidi ban pen ya kata ka bor telada pim don ya kata ka bor ka bala IT yutau lakam mapi temban se kahito hi kan her bat kan le ya kawa badon kam namar ngingim dei kita ki kelas social media ki ban sukut tengah media henri ngipen I ru ka kam kani kadai ka jing sedang bangi ngipen I da ka kam bat ngin le ru nang nes
Ban penti kena bagajing pentrei yaka 132 kV nongpo substation kabadangnya chaprang mentah omleng kedaj uba Mirror Bonds MLA rengkat ki officer jangka MEECL haka khat pra tarik Lber kilalet ban jurep bat ban pej benya yaki jing trei hakani ka substation kenang ban pendap haka por kababiang hakani ka sngi la senran langru da orang ba ashnong omleng kedaj ba NS makdo ki dekot committee ki kontraktor bat ki engineer ka MEECL Habakran Shakilat Pathai Khubor uba Mirror Bonds ulaya thu ka jingthmu ban jurip ha kani kasngi ka de ban wat banya yakinu kinu ki jingduna ki bala ban mi hakapor badang pentrai ya kani ka kam kum unong mi khmat ka than udan ka jing ang nuot ban pendap no kloi ya kani ka project khnang ban weng no yaki jing jangki pal ba na ka jing lip lat kha kha Uba Mirror Bonds ulapan pau ya kajing angnut bakani ka 132 kV substation kan trekam no hakapor balabo habaki kam kijam kila deblut ploin.
Man akan digesni yo ban wan ban page ban wan slip ban inspect ya ngejeng pentre ya kan ka 132 kV substation nang ne nompo di tempau jing songo ya ki official officer jogi kongso tuju bahari dan lang nagal yang kador barsnong tuju ki kontraktor ba pentre dan lang bat bahdin bagi lapet lakni aginya jong kam Nishamba kaya nanti buat kajing ka progress jong kam fiscal progress kalong quite satisfactory ya kajing menteri kam supervision kalong kabiang ban pau yung songu ngatu ka department ka dor barsnong ibal ai kajing freelang bat pangit scam kumba kajing community jong ki ba boarding electric po kanong po tahun barsnong para marjan di Khubor gibala dia nyemat kejing duna jong boarding kejing slot jong voltage kejing politik kena jong light kejing don kam jong kena school ke office sorkar ki battery business aying asam ini sya kejing tagadau ba kani kejing para kejing ka 132 kV la nek sispa live RCB substation adi kejing kerku bat ba kejing wan jongok industri kolong ban penting kena bagani ke kam kan niat PJMT kan deploy kat bala bagan state ke kam kata kadi kejing lenti ke jung bat you wish all the best nam ka jong karo di bala tri stop nak benta jong
Kadon Bosco Higher Secondary School bernihat haka khat pra tarik Lber kalapli perda ya ka jing rakhe ya ka jubilee ksiar ka jingyat lenti ka bala kenjo sanpo snem nadu bala sedang ya ka haka ju kapor la penlong ru ya ka lempung ya lek ka sports hamadan jong ka ni ka school kum kadak kajing play ya kani kajing rakhe ya ka jubilee ksiar lawan ban penher ya ka lama jong ka Don Bosco Higher Secondary School bernihat da menteri CNRD ba Sosthenes Sotun kumukongsan ha kajing dan lang u padar Reni Vice Principal kisestar jong ka SMII uba Jeff Warlarpi Principal padar Gregorius Sintem kinoyalam school bat kinong hikai bat bung lembung ikena jong kani ka school Hakani ka sngi pli la pen phu pen phing da ka jing shat tan rai bala shim banta da ki khna school ka drill bat ki we ki bala pen shop bit bha ya ki kme ki kpa bat ki pat ba hakani ka sngi ki sur jing put jing tem ka music band ki laksam shadu sahid beneng bat ha ki lum ki them jong ka sor bernihan haba pli akani ka jing rakhi jubilee ksiar u MLA ula thang ya ka sharak ban pen I ya ka dak jing shai ba phalang nakani ka shlem jing tip Ula thangru ya ka mombati jong ka jing it bat la penkut ya ka ne ka sngi da ka jing sam ya ka buskit shaki house captain ki bala job ha ka march pass
to remember the 50 years of foundation maybe at the time looking back to 50 years. Maybe at the time at a very simple school, be it the LP school, nursery, which this school institution have gone through. And looking back, we have to remember the sacrifices and the contribution that all the people who have joined the contribute or lending support to this great institution, Don Bosco Higher Secondary School, touching the 50 years Golden Jubilee. It's not only looking back for the 50 years, but also with the aim of looking ahead for the improvement of education for all the students who are coming to study here in the Don Bosco Higher Secondary School. Each one sitting here, we will always think that how difficult it was 50 years back. And now, with a growing legacy of the Don Bosco Higher Secondary School, we have witnessed and found that many children who have passed out from this school, who have passed out from this institution, they have become maybe engineers, doctors, officers, or maybe they have lended their services.
Badak itu ki Khubor ng lapoy siya kabakot, tarhado bangin daya siyembiang, kublay sibon.